How to fix Telegram not connecting. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. What if you open up Telegram and you find that on the chats you'll get the not connecting option there? Now you can get that due to various reasons. Now previously Telegram was banned in my region for a couple of months, and due to that the not connecting error was frequently shown. Now if it is banned in your region or in your server as well, what you can do is you can always access through VPN. So you can install virtual private network VPN on your device, any free ones or paid ones, and you can use it. Select the server of the particular region where Telegram is working and not banned, and you can proceed to use it. Other than that, how you can fix it? Well, if it is still not working, it can just be the server issue itself. The server might be down, in which case you'll have to wait for a couple of hours and then check back again. If that's not the case, if it is not connecting at all, then it might just be your internet connection issue. So you might want to check if your internet connection is stable, and also make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. As a last resort, you want to reinstall the application itself. Don't worry, you won't be losing any of your chats when you reinstall. So you can proceed to reinstall your Telegram application itself and see if the issue is fixed. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.